What's good? What's good? Welcome back to our channel. This is For Sure Family. This is the Tadpoles family with another video. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back with a video. Well, this morning I woke up for a taste for some biscuits and gravy. Yeah, but before I get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. If you're not members of our channel, go ahead and subscribe, right? I like to send out a special thank you to my sister-in-law for my chef hat. Yes, thank you. You see that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just wanted to say thank you to her. And here's the ingredients for my biscuits and gravy. Of course, you're gonna need to have some sausage. I got Tennessee Pride here, and it's mild country sausage. I'm a spicy man. I like a little kick with my sausage and gravy, so I got me some cayenne pepper. Of course, you need flour, right? You got your milk, a lot of pepper. You will need a lot of pepper for this meal here. And then I like this here, these Grands Southern style, home style biscuits, right? Hey, just follow the directions on the back and you can't go wrong with this. All right, I went ahead and heated up my skillet right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add my sausage to it. You just want to go ahead and brown that up. You want it to cook all the way through. And this is biscuits and gravy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very, very simple meal. Very simple meal. Make sure you get all that sausage in there. All that. Okay. Yeah. Cut that down some. I like to cook this a little bit slower. I want to break that up. All right, so my sausage is almost there. Smelling good. Should be ready here in about another 5 to 7 minutes. And once it's done, you add your flour. Like I said, this is a very, very simple meal. Very, very simple, easy to do. Don't take that long. You need a few ingredients. Like I said, the sausage, your flour, and your milk. And basically, that's it. And of course, your biscuits. Hey, that Grand, that's right. Southern home-style Grand Biscuits, buttermilk. Okay, my sausage is about there. I'll cut it down a little bit. Yes, it's smelling good, looking good. You don't want to drain your sausage. The grease that you do accumulate here, you just want to keep that for this meal here. All right, give it another 10, 15 seconds. I cut it down a little bit. Like I said, this is a very, very simple meal to do. First thing I do start off with is my flour. What you need is 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And what I do, I go ahead and add those 4. And like I said, just 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stick that to the side. And I'll just go ahead and mix that in. Mix it in. Mix it all in. Make sure you get it all good. So my oven just preheated. It's ready to go. It's set for 375 for my biscuits. It's very simple. Once my flour has worked its way into the sausage, I'll go ahead and add 2 cups of milk It takes 4 cups of milk, and I just go ahead and add my 2. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yep. Cut this up a little bit. Right now, I'm probably running about 250, 275. And I just stir that in. Stir it in. You know what? Actually, I'm going to cut it up a little bit. Let me go up to 300. And what happens is with that flour binding to the sausage, you add your milk, stir it in, and it'll thicken up. And once it gets thickened, I go ahead and add my pepper and my cayenne pepper. One thing that I've learned with my biscuits and gravy, no salt is needed for this meal. No salt is needed for this meal because it's a pretty salty meal, just not adding salt. So I wouldn't add salt. I've done it both, add salt, and then I haven't added salt. And I've learned over the years, don't add any salt. All right, so this has been going now for about a good 7 to 10 minutes. And you see how it's thickening up? So I go ahead and get a nice stir on it. Yes, sir. Biscuits and gravy. Sausage biscuits and gravy. Yes, sir. So like I said, very simple meal. So I'm gonna go ahead, before I add my last 2 cups of milk, I'm gonna go ahead and get my pepper in here. And like I said, you want a lot of pepper in here. A lot of pepper. And I love pepper. So I dose it pretty good. Get that pepper. About right there. Now cayenne pepper, if you like a kick, add a lot of cayenne pepper, but me, I don't, because others may want some, so just give me about right there. I go ahead and add my last 2 cups of 2% milk. I get a good stir on it, binding all that together. I cut it up. I cut it down a little bit because I like it to simmer some, so I cut it down to about 200. I'm gonna cut it back up to about 250. Yeah, you see that cayenne pepper in there? Yes, sir. Biscuits and gravy, sausage biscuits and gravy. For sure, family way style. My biscuits went in. They're about 15 minutes out before they're ready. My sausage, my gravy should be ready here about that time. And this will thicken back up. All right, so my biscuits are done. They're nice and fluffy and brown. Took about 15 minutes. Just follow the ingredients on back of the biscuits. Let's take a look at our gravy. See how it's coming along. It smells delicious. Get a good stir on it. Yeah, you see how it thickens up. If you like, you can add more milk to it. But I'm okay with this. Just get a good stir on it. With that flour in there, it tends to stick to the bottom, but all that is good flavoring. Get a good stir on it. I say it'll be ready here in about a minute or so. And it's time to assemble this meal. Appreciate you guys tuning in to our channel. Like I said, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So I have my 2 biscuits here. It's time to put this meal together. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. I wish I had a bigger spoon, but it's gonna work. Oh, yes, sir. Look at that. Yes, y'all see it? Yes, sir. Like I said, very simple meal. You didn't know I had some skills, did you? Look at that. Yes, sir. It smells delicious. Sausage and gravy biscuits. Look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Appreciate you guys tuning in to our channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya.